Hi guys, welcome back. Today we've got a nice and easy one. So today we're going to be changing transmission fluid on this Nissan Juke. This is 1.5 diesel. So this process is very identical if you want to change the transmission fluid on the Qashqai. You probably will need to remove is the under tray. On this case we don't need because we haven't got one. So we're going to be using this fluid, 2 liters. I would say 2.5 to be on the safe side. So this is the fluid that we're going to be using, and then you're going to need a little socket like this. It's a square. It's got a square shape, and then obviously a ratchet, and then a torque wrench. But that is not now. And then the first thing that you need to do is find this plastic cap there. So this is going to be your level, and this is going to be where you're going to refill the gearbox. So basically put the fluid back in. So we're going to remove it now. Now you can see the level is dripping a little bit. The level is spot on. We remove this plastic plug, which is basically the level on the side, as we saw. The second step is remove this drain plug and the socket with the square shape, and we're gonna go ahead and undo this one. We are ready to drain the transmission fluid. There we go. So basically, and you do have a little washer there, so I will always recommend to replace this because you can create a fluid leak. If you don't, always be safe than sorry. Now I would just leave it for a few minutes, just make sure that it drains all out, and then we can refit this plug. Torque spec for this is 24 Newton meter, so we're good there. What we need to do now is basically refill. So I'm gonna use my syringe. Just do it like from here. It's quite easy. That's 1 liter. There we go. The second liter in. So as you can see it there, so it's dripping a little bit. So this means that all level is good. So we can put this plastic little cap back on, all the way in, and then a little bit of brake cleaner. And there we have it, guys. Step-by-step guide how to check the level, drain and refill the manual transmission fluid. Obviously, if you do this, it will extend the life of your transmission. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.